Alright everyone, welcome to this video. In the last video we talked about dictionaries, we talked about how we use them, and we even made a little program where we made use of dictionaries. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about looping through dictionaries, and also going to learn the different types of looping through the keys, the values, and many other types of looping, which we're going to look at in today's video. If you're ready for this video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss future videos. And now that you've done that, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so in the last video we started an empty dictionary right here, and then we defined all of its components right here. So now to loop through a dictionary, we're going to use a for loop. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use for key and value in the dictionary name, which is user 1. Because this retrieves the entire dictionary, which is not what we want, we're going to use a method called .items, and this is going to retrieve the key and value pairs. So we have two variables here, key and value, and this retrieves the key and value pairs up here. So we're just going to print them out. So we're going to print those two out, and then now that we have this in place, let's save the program and let's see what happens when we run. As you can see, it returns everything. Name is Bob right here, and also here, name is also Bob. It's bringing us the key and the value, and it's printing them out. So now let's see what more we can use. Instead of .items, we can use .keys, and of course you can get what this does. It's going to retrieve only the keys. So when we do this, it's going to return to us all of the keys that are in the program. So the name, age, paid, and cool, which are the keys in our dictionary. We can also loop through all the keys in a particular order. So we can do this, and then let's say we want to order them in alphabetical order. So A comes first, then they'll be ordered. So what we're going to do is we're going to use, I'm sure you know this, the sorted, and we're just going to close everything in the sorted method. Now what this is going to do is it's going to print them in alphabetical order. So it's going to be the first, A, C, N, and P. So this is the way to order your items. Now you can use this in key value pairs too. We've also used this in the previous video. We've used the sorted method to sort them in alphabetical order. It's a very good method that you can use any time. Now, of course, I've mentioned keys. We can also loop through the values. So this, instead of keys, is going to loop through the values with the numbers first and then the letters. So 55 is not a key, actually, it's a value. So I'm going to change that text. So 55 is a value, Bob is a value, cool is a value, and has not paid is also a value. So as you can see, we've also learned to loop through values in dictionaries. So I hope you've learned something from this video. We've talked about the different ways to loop through a dictionary. Next time we're going to talk about more things about dictionaries. If you've missed any other concepts, look at the previous videos or check out the playlist which is on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Stay happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.